Let's start today's computer class, and today we will discuss few Java programs. So today first program is assign the value of n and print the value of s when s equals to, the series is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, and the formula equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. This is your question. Fine. You need to find the value of s when value of n is given. Very simple. So let's start. But the series is start with 1. Okay. Let's start. Class number public static void main string args. Fine. So assign the value of n. So we will take a variable n, which type? Int type. And value I can take any, like suppose I have taken 10, I can take any value. Fine. Now what is the value of s? So s equals to, what is the formula? As we know, in Java expression we cannot write n bracket start n plus 1. We will write n asterisk n plus 1 slash 2. Fine. And in this, again, to get the exact value, you can use 2.0, and here what is the value of s? You will take double. Fine. So display the value of s. System dot out dot println value of s equals to plus sign, and a variable I have taken capital S. So you will take capital S only. But this thing you need to keep in mind, that you will convert this number, converts it integer into decimal 2.0, so that you can get the double value, correct value. Fine. Rest was very simple. Display the value of s and then close it. Fine. I hope it is clear. Assign the value of n and display the value of s by using this formula. Fine. Now the second program. Find the sum of series 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus up to 25. Now the series is 10 plus 11 plus 25 up to, plus 12 up to 25, and by using which formula? This formula. But this formula is applicable when the series starts with 1, and here is the series starts with 10. Now what will you do? You cannot use the formula directly. Fine, we cannot take 25 into 25 plus 1 by 2. No, because the series starts with 10 here. So what we will do? First we will calculate the sum of series. Start from 1 to 25. Fine. Then we will calculate 1 to 9. So when you subtract the sum from 1 to 25 minus 1 to 9, what will you get? Sum from 10 to 25. Fine. So first we will calculate sum of series 1 to 25. Then we will find sum of series from 1 to 9. And if I subtract those values, then I will get sum of 10 to, sum of series starts with 10 and ends with 25. So let's start. Same number I am taking here, main. Now instead of n equals to 10, first I will take n equals to 25, n1. Fine. Then I will take one more variable, int n2 equals to 9. Fine. We have taken two variables, n1 equals to 25 and n2 equals to 9. So if I use this formula, so I will get double S1 equals to n1 asterisk n1 plus 1 slash 2.0. Fine. So this is your S1. S1 means sum of 1 to 25. Fine. Then double S2 n2 into n2 plus 1 by 2.0. Here I have used n2. What is n2? 9. So it will calculate the sum of series from 1 to 9. Now if I subtract S2 from S1, I will get sum of series 10 to 25. So double S will be equal to S1 minus S2. Fine. So what shall I print? System.out.println value of S equals to plus S, and S is the sum of series from 10 to 25. I hope it is clear. So this is our second program. Very simple. Fine. Now we will see the third program. Assign time in hours and print its equivalent minutes and seconds. Okay. So for this, we will take class name time, class time, public static void main string hours, and assign time in hours. So let's take a variable t. Let's assign time, suppose 6. What are 6? 6 hours. Print its equivalent minutes and seconds. So how will you get time in minutes, Tn? If hours are given, how will you calculate it minutes? T into 60. Fine. And how will you calculate time in second? T into 60 into 60. Fine. Now display. I am writing in short form SOPLN, but you will write in full system.out.println. Time in minute equals to plus TM. Right? Time in seconds PS. Fine. Very simple program. So I hope it is clear. So if it is asked like input distance in meters, and display in kilometer. Input length in inches and display length in feet. So simply you need to convert that and display. Using the simple formula you can do that. I hope you can do. So try out these programs also. Input the distance in meters and display in kilometers. Fine, very simple program. So that's it for today. So thank you. Thanks for watching.